Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover listening skills with Drops, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading and installing the Drops app on your device. Open the app and create an account if you haven't already. Select the language you want to focus on. Begin with the basics category to lay a strong foundation for your listening skills. Choose a topic or theme that interests you. Start the lesson and pay close attention to the audio. Listen carefully to each word as it is pronounced. Repeat the words out loud to reinforce your listening comprehension. Utilize the visual prompts to connect sounds with written words. Engage in the practice exercises provided after each lesson. Try to focus on listening for context rather than just individual words. Use the word bank feature to revisit words you struggle with. Set small daily goals to make consistent progress. Take breaks to avoid burnout and keep your mind fresh. After a few sessions, challenge yourself with more advanced topics. Explore the community feature to find friends and share your progress. Continue practicing regularly to enhance retention and fluency. Gradually increase the complexity of the lessons as you improve. Record your own voice to compare with the app's pronunciation guide. Stay patient and celebrate small victories along your learning journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.